But this was the living room for one of the apartments, and that window there was actually the door. So we recreated that window to match the others. So here is a clue to the old dentist use. We know from stories that people tell about this house that there was a dentist chair set up in this bay window. You'd be sitting in the chair and you'd be looking out and you'd be having your teeth drilled. But this is one of the remnants. I don't know if it's a drain in the floor or it's how the chair was actually attached, but it's there as a reminder of part of the history of this house. We're walking into the bathroom. This was the little kitchenette for this apartment. This is a place where we decided we were going to lean in to the evolution of the house. So it's more of an Art Deco design, as though this bathroom had been added in the 1930s. We recycled some of the bathroom fixtures that were elsewhere in the house. So this great low tank toilet, so it's a kind of a cousin to the high tank toilet that we looked at earlier. I don't know why they don't make toilets like this anymore, at least in this country, but I think it's so elegant. This separate tank from the bowl connected by a pipe, the chamfered corners and the simple lever handle. And I think it was in that bathroom that was in the front hall. But then also the wall-hung sink, also with those chamfered corners. To me, that's very kind of a 1920s, 1930s Art Deco look. And that's actually the original hardware. It's that chrome on the sink. And the medicine cabinet, which has these beautiful built-in lights. Here, the tile is just a very simple 4x4 square dowel tile. This is classic bathroom tile that you can find at any hardware store, any building supply store. What's special about it is the color and the combination of this deep cobalt blue with the kind of jazzy black and the stark white grout. I think it's the combination of those things that makes it look very fresh, but this is a very basic, inexpensive tile. The bathtub was also recycled from another bathroom in this house. We went again to Vintage Tub and Bath for these porcelain fittings with the faucet, the knobs, and the shower head. The floor is this spiral design. It's been in production for decades.